Insightful empowers organizations to analyze and optimize employee performance, productivity, and efficiency via deep behavioral data insights. Our market-leading enterprise workforce analytics and productivity platform helps transform your team into a digital, distributed, and flexible future-ready workplace by increasing staff productivity by more than 20%, enhancing visibility of employee activity even when working from home or remotely, improving your ability to benchmark staff productivity to replicate top performers and remove workflow bottlenecks. Automated and easy to use, Insightful can be deployed in the cloud or hosted on-premise for enterprise customers. To start gaining powerful insights into how your team works, our lightweight desktop application is installed on your employees' devices. Whether you have 10 or 10,000 devices, Insightful scales up to support the size of your workforce. For company devices, download and install Insightful on individual devices or via convenient mass deployment options such as Active Directory or Windows RDP. For personal devices, it's as simple as inviting your employees via email. Once installed, Insightful runs quietly in the background, capturing activity data such as apps and websites that are being actively used and periods of inactivity that pinpoint productivity levels via powerful business powering analytics. Insightful is extremely flexible and supports multiple visibility and time tracking scenarios to provide your team with new levels of transparency. On company devices, Insightful can operate in the background in stealth mode or set to the more popular visible mode, which enables staff to interact with Insightful to unlock additional, valuable functionality, such as capturing more accurate timesheets, tracking time against projects and tasks, improving performance by analyzing their own productivity data. On personal devices, Insightful is always visible. Employees simply clock in and out using our application to start and end their work times. Privacy is always top of mind. Insightful only ever captures activity data while employees are clocked in. And you can disable activity logging altogether to prevent private data from being captured from sensitive applications. Insightful's intuitive dashboard gives you a real-time view of exactly what's happening in your workforce. See when your staff clocked in, understand what they're working on at any moment, or if they're on a break, and track overall team productivity levels. Inside Insightful, your staff are assigned to a team. Teams help you group staff together to enable productivity benchmarking and full flexibility in your productivity definitions. Insightful recognizes each new activity and alerts you for review. Easily categorize activities as productive, unproductive, or neutral. The group assignment feature makes productivity boosting categorization even faster and easier. For example, designate social media productive for your marketing team, but unproductive for your engineers. Insightful productivity analytics provide you with actionable insights and make productivity quantifiable. View productivity at the team and individual employee level to analyze which apps and websites are being used, when, and how often. Assess employee performance side by side to replicate the habits of top performers and uncover bottlenecks in routine workflows. Discover how productivity changes throughout the day, trends over time, and if employees perform better working from home or in the office. You can even gamify work and create healthy competition within your team to boost productivity with visible analytics data. Insightful adds another layer to your team's productivity and performance via flexible time and attendance settings. You can choose to generate timesheets based on computer or network activity, or use our popular digital time clock to generate the most accurate timesheets. Each time and attendance record captured is backed by powerful productivity and activity data, enabling you to get a full picture of every moment on the clock. Like all data in Insightful, timesheets can easily be exported to run payroll or for offline analysis. For even more granular visibility into your workforce's time, Insightful features the ability to track time against projects and tasks. Project and task time tracking helps you save time, money, and boost ROI by showing you which projects and tasks are taking the most time and how accurate your billing estimates are to actual costs. Insightful's powerful analytics engine is at work here too, Want to know why a project is running over estimate? Zoom in and see exactly where time is going. See which employees have worked on the project and when, the apps and websites they used to complete it, and screenshots can be captured to get the full picture of project performance and workload. You can also choose to share this unmatched level of transparency and visibility with third-party clients via easy access invitations. Using another tool for project management? No problem. Insightful seamlessly integrates with many popular third-party platforms. Insightful takes all your highly relevant data and automatically creates performance-optimizing reports. At any given time, access comprehensive reports based on complete productivity and time and attendance data from Insightful. With the Email Reports feature, you can have custom reports emailed automatically to ensure performance insights get to the right people at the right time. Want to delve deeper into your data? Use Insightful's powerful REST API to extract custom data for further reporting or integration with other tools in your stack, including out-of-the-box support for many popular third business intelligence tools. Insightful is intuitive, unobtrusive, and empowering for employees too. It lets them improve performance, simplifies time management, and never disrupts their flow. Depending on the account settings you choose, our lightweight agent is visible on their desktop and enables staff to check in and out of their work and break times, track time against projects and tasks, and access the Insightful platform to view personal productivity information. We know the modern workforce takes many shapes. That's why we've designed Insightful from the ground up with flexibility in mind. As well as its unmatched cross-platform compatibility, Insightful's robust product settings and access permissions adapt to your workplace needs, whatever they are. Staff splitting their time between company devices in the office and personal computers remotely? Insightful ensures zero data slips. Need to capture screenshots for only some teams or users? Specifically choose which ones. Want to make sure only the right people are accessing relevant data? Set granular permissions for your managers. Plus, Insightful has you covered for just about any other scenario your growing, fast-moving, and increasingly remote team needs. And if you need assistance at any moment, our always available, best-in-class customer support team is there for you. Customer data security and privacy are part of the fabric of Insightful. Our platform uses a multi-layered security approach to protect your data and keep it confidential. Your data is encrypted in transit and while at rest, and only ever accessible to you. And Insightful and its cloud hosting partner, Google Cloud, come backed by best-in-class multi-certificate compliance, including SOC 2, ISO 27001, and HIPAA. Plus, it's not just our team and infrastructure hard at work to protect your data. Insightful security is fortified via testing, support, and maintenance from third-party security specialists. Want total control of your data? Get it with Insightful's on-premise installation option. With our market-leading on-premise solution, enterprise organizations can run Insightful on their private cloud or physical servers within their private network. That way, your data is completely isolated from outside networks. On-premise deployment comes with a whole host of additional features, including the ability to tap directly into Insightful's data pipeline using business intelligence tools to generate in-depth analytics and actionable insights at scale, advanced event and activity logging with customizable alerts that instantly deliver business-critical information, upgraded security features including account audit logs and two-factor authentication. When you understand exactly how your employees work with Insightful, your team can become more productive, efficient, and get more done. This powerful optimization improves performance and results today and ensures your organization is positioned as a flexible, future-ready workforce of tomorrow. Ready to join thousands of other forward-thinking organizations already optimizing employee performance, productivity, and efficiency with Insightful? Visit our website to start your free trial or contact us to speak to our team today.